Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I'm going to be making broccoli rabe with sausage and orecchiette, and I have a couple of interesting things to show you. When you're making pasta dishes, you almost always want to use pasta that's been cut with a bronze die. And what does that mean? It means it gives it a rough surface. If you can see this, what happens is after you cook the pasta and you mix it with the sauce, that rough surface actually helps it hold the sauce. Another thing I like to do, I use Calabrian chili peppers. They're awesome. They're hot, like smoky hot, not set your mouth on fire hot, and I put them on pretty much everything. So come on, let's get started.
All right, let's look at what we have here. We got orecchiette, broccoli rabe, garlic, sausage, extra virgin olive oil, some grated pecorino cheese, salt and pepper for seasoning, and those Calabrian chili peppers, which I love. All right, let's start with removing the sausage meat from the casing. I'm gonna just take that out, put it in the bowl. We're gonna do the same thing with the second one. Slice it open, remove the meat, very easy. I'm going to trim off the bottom of the broccoli rabe and use the peeler to clean it up a little bit. Skillet's on medium-high, going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Going to add the sausage, break it up with a spoon. Going to brown it. Broccoli rabe goes into the boiling water for a few minutes. Then we're going to add the pasta. Break up that sausage a little bit more. Scoop it out, put it off to the side. All right, we're gonna drain the broccoli rabe and get all that water out of it. Then we're gonna cut it up into like 1 to 2 inch pieces. I'm also gonna do the same thing with the sausage. It didn't really break up that well with the spoon, so I'm gonna put a knife to it. All right, garlic goes into the skillet. Gonna set up my Calabrian chili peppers, trim them, cut them up so I can sprinkle them on top. Okay, leave those off to the side. All right, I'm gonna save a little pasta water in case the dish is dry. Pasta goes in, it's cooked. Broccoli rabe goes in, sausage goes in. Season with pepper, a little bit of salt. And I decided to use white wine instead of the pasta water. Doesn't that look good? Very simple dish to make, just has a few ingredients. Great combination of flavors. I'm gonna put a little pecorino cheese on. Let me put some of these Calabrian chili peppers on. Love those. Let's have a taste. Absolutely delicious. Really good. I hope you make this. And remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.